Hi all, I am Dr. T. Lokeshwari, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Application PG, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to discuss about resource allocation in software project management. The resource allocation in project management is the process of assigning the right quantities and types of resource necessary for complete the project. The primary thing is sourcing and distributing fund and the materials for business purposes. The main thing for resource allocation involves knowing the availability of the resources and scheduling them to complete project on time. As a company, we have certain number of resources. Allocating them to the correct place can help to minimize the waste and maximize the return on investment. While resource allocation is necessary at the beginning of the project management to monitor the resources throughout the project life cycle and reallocate the resource depending on the project requirement. The adjustment throughout the project timelines are essential to ensure the timely completion of your project. Some resources you can allocate based on first one, labor. Labor is the main thing which focus on advantage of the entire thing. If the person have talent, professional experience and qualification, then they can able to complete on time. They know that how to use the resources. For example, the marketing agencies, consultation and information technology. Second one, space. A company requires space to complete the project. If there is a manufacturing product and deliver the services, a company might lease or purchase the space to meet with the client and complete their project. Third one, equipment. The company might use machines, tools, software or hardware to provide services to finish the business related task and develop the product. For example, if you use electrical component manufacturing company, they can use computer aided design or CAD software to use their project. Materials. A company materials might involve physical supplies that help the company to generate their output and produce the product the customer can use. The primarily includes raw materials such as steel, copper, iron, and office supplies like printers, stationery, computers, and desk. The next one, money. A part of resource allocation involves reassigning the funds and budgets to various departments and helping them complete different project phase. So the budget such as human resource department to pay salaries, while the operation department might use the purchase money for to purchase the raw materials or equipments. How to allocate resources in project management? First, we should know your project scope. Before allocating the resource and managing them, you should determine your project scope might be benefit or not. You should have the clear project scope to understand how to allocate the resource within the project, either if it is short project, long project or small or big. After knowing all these questions, then you can make the right decision on resource. The next one, identifying your resource. When allocating resource, see that the employees are available, what equipment the project requires and where you plan to perform your task. Answering these questions can help you to allocate the right resources to the right at the right time. After knowing the objective and scope of your project, it becomes the complete project and budget within the time frame. The next one, find resource and funding. After confirming your resource requirement, you should use the software to determine the availability of internal and external resources. Based on the project requirement, you can hire new employee, rent or new equipment or make decision to support your project. You can provide a rough estimate of these resources for the business's financial plan. The last one, assign task and get feedback from the employee. After determining the project requirement, focus on delegating tasks to each employee, and the project success will be based on the team members to know the dependencies and responsibilities, and they should know the deadline for each task. Apart from allocating tasks to each employee, get the feedback from the employee and assure that they do not work overtime or undertime. So if you know all these things, then it will be easy for any organization to complete the project on time. Thank you.